Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, Arithmetic Progression. In shortcut we can say AP. I've sent you the picture of this chapter. Let's see what is this AP. There is a sequence, means some numbers are given in some sequence. If that gap of the numbers are same, then that sequence is in arithmetic progression form. And when this gap is not same, it means somewhere gap of 2, somewhere gap of 5, somewhere gap of 7, like this, then that sequence will be not in form of AP. So let's see this point by some examples. Suppose you get some number 2, 5, 7, 9, like this. Okay, and after this also the number will come. But see, here we got a gap of 3. Here we got a gap of 2 only. Again gap of 2 only. Suppose you got here 11. Then here is gap of 2. Suppose you got 15. Then here you got a gap of 4. So this gap it's not same everywhere. So this series is not in form of AP. Let's see one more example. Suppose you got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like this. Okay, so see here, after 1 you got 3, means gap of 2 number. After 3 you got 5, so gap of 2 number. After 5, 7, gap of 2 number. After 7, 9, gap of 2 number. So here we got a constant difference, same difference in all the series. So this series is called in AP form. This is the meaning of AP. Okay, in all these AP series, we'll get some number. This is first number, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, fifth, like this. The first number is count as A. Second number A2, A3, A4, A5, anything. According number we'll give them name. First number is called A. That is 1. Now from the second number when you find minus of first number, so that is called the difference of this series, means 3 minus 1, that is 2. Here we got a gap of 2. Let's see, here also you are getting same or not. So we write it 5 minus 3, so gap of 2. Then we can say yes, it is an AP. So this series is in AP form. And here we not got the same gap, that's why this series is not in AP form. This is the meaning of AP. Let's start with exercise 5.1. I have sent you the picture of this exercise also. Its first question is, find the first term A and the common difference D of the following arithmetic progression. Means a series is given. Of that series we have to find out the first term, that is called A, and the gap of all the numbers, that is called D. So first part of the series will be like this: 6, 9, 12, 15, like this. Some numbers are given. So in all these numbers, A we have to find. So A is always first number, and then we have to find out the D difference. So that difference will be second minus first number, 3, or 12 minus 9, 3. This gap is same, that's why this series is in AP form. If this gap is not coming same, then this series will be not in AP form. But this is already AP, so we have to find out only A and D of any given questions. Second part is minus 7, minus 9, minus 11, minus 13, and like this. Okay, here also again a sequence is coming. In this sequence always first number is A. So in this second case, A is minus 7, and then we have to find out the D difference, like this. So how to find the difference? From second number we minus the first number, minus 9, then we have to minus first number, and first number is already minus, so that will come in bracket. So it will be minus 9 and minus plus 7. So what's the remainder? Minus 2. Means here gap of minus 2. Let's see the other one also. Or third minus second. Minus 11 and from that we minus 9. So minus 11 is same, and this when you open then it will become minus plus 11. So here also you got gap of 2. So you got a gap of minus 2 and minus 2. So this sequence is in AP form. Like that, some more numbers are given. Suppose you got a fraction. Suppose question is in fraction form. Then also be able to find out A and D. In all the series, first number is A. So first number A, our A is 3 upon 2. And then we have to find out the difference. So difference will be second number minus first number. Achha, they are in fraction form, so we can't able to separate directly because we have to go for LCM. Here in this case, these both are 2 directly LCM 2 will come. But when your numbers are different, then you have to find out the LCM method. So in this case, LCM 2. So this will come same 1 minus 3. So remaining minus 2 upon 2. So answer will be minus 1. Means here is a gap of minus 1. Let's see now third minus second. Third number is minus 1 upon 2. Then from that we minus 1 upon 2. In this case also LCM will be 2. So this also will be minus 1 minus 1. This minus 2 upon 2. So answer is minus 1. So see again gap is same. So this series is in fraction form. Sequence form, arithmetic progression. Like that, some other parts also given. So other 4 parts you have to do in homework. 4th part, 5th part, 6th and 7th part. Okay, 3 part I am explaining here, and other 4 parts you have to do in homework. Okay, now for question number second. Question second is, if for any arithmetic progression first term A and the common difference D is given, then find out the next 4 terms of the series. Okay, and when we want to find out this next any digits, 5 digits, 7 digits, 10 digits, so we should know the D, and D you know how to find out. Now there is some shortcut way also to find out any digit of the series. We can't able to add everywhere D. So for that, let's see some rules. Always this is an AP form in which this first digit is A, this is A, this first is A, and we can say A1 also. Second is A2, A3, A4. Like that we give them name A1, A2, A3, A4, like this part of the series. Okay. Now only A1 is called A. If you want A2, the second digit of the series you want to find out, when you know A and D, then what to do? We have to take A first number plus we add difference which we find in previous question. So A plus D will, when we add, then we'll get second term of the series. Suppose you want third term, this term we want, then A is given and D is given, but in this case we can add 2 times of D. 1 D is here and 1 D is here, no, that 2 times D we add, then it will become third digits. 4th digit we need, so that is A plus 3D. Like that we are able to find out any term of the series. One thing you notice in this, first term is A, then here A2, 2 is there, so D is 1 time. A3, 3 is here, so A is 2 time. 4, then A is 3 time. Like that we are able to find out any digit of the series. Suppose you want 21st term of the series, 21st. Okay, so how to find? In that formula will be A plus 20D. Just 1 will be less than this. This is the way of finding any digit of the sequence. We have to find first 4 term of the series. Okay, and for that series A and D is given. Let's see how to find first 4 term. And you know first 4 term. First term is A1, second term A2, third term A3, and fourth term is A4. And I've explained you the point before this question how to take the numbers. So first number is A1, and that is A. So that will be minus 1. A1 and A is same. If you don't write this, then it's A1 only. No? A2. A2 how to take? A plus D. A2 how to find? A plus D. In this A is minus 1 plus D is half. So minus 1 plus half. We have to take LCM here. LCM is 2. So this 2 multiply here. 2 1 is minus 2 plus this is LCM same. That's why 1 same only. So So here remaining is minus 1 upon 2. The second term is minus 1 upon 2. Third term a plus 2d. So a is minus 1 plus 2 and d is 1 upon 2. In this case this 2 and this 2 cut. Sorry. So remaining here minus 1 and here plus 1. So it's come 0. Third term of the series is 0. Fourth term you want. Fourth term a plus 3d. A is minus 1 plus 3 and d. D is half. So minus 1 plus, we can't able to solve it, so we multiply. 3 1 3. Don't multiply downside, just multiply upside down. 3 1 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. And here we have to add by this formula method. LCM method. LCM 2. So 2 1 minus 2 plus 3. So remaining here 1 upon 2. The fourth term is 1 upon 2. When a and d is given to any digit, you will find out of the series, but we have to find first 4 digits only. So first digit is minus 1, second digit is half, minus half, third digit is 0, and fourth digit is 1 upon 2. And then we write them in AP form. So AP equals to, first term is minus 1, second is minus 1 upon 2, third is 0, fourth is 1 upon 2, and like that we have to find out more digits also. But we want first 4 digits. So see, this is in AP form because gap is half everywhere. If we calculate, the same gap of half number will come everywhere. Second part of the question. In this second part, a is 1 upon 3 and difference of 4 upon 3 everywhere. And in this also we have to find out first 4 digits of the series. The first digit is a1. We can say it is a also, 1 upon 3. Second digit is a2. Second digit will be a2. And how to find? A plus d. A is 1 upon 3 plus d. D is 4 upon 3. Here LCM same. LCM is 3. Both are same. There is a 3. So this also will come same. 1 plus 4. So it will be 5 upon 3. Third digit is 5 upon. Second digit is 5 upon 3. Third digit. A plus 2d. Isn't it? A is 1 upon 3 plus 2 and d is 4 upon 3. So it is 1 upon 3 plus this 2 you have to multiply. Don't multiply down, upside only, because downside we don't have any number. So 4 to the 8, 8 upon 3. So here also LCM is 3. So 1 plus 8, 9 upon 3. And 9 upon 3 will be 3. Third digit is 3. The fourth digit will be a plus 3d. A is 1 upon 3 plus 3 and inside 4 upon 3. Here this case, this cut. So 1 upon 3 plus 4 only. And here LCM is 3. So this multiply here. This 1 will be same. Plus 4 3 are 12. So it will be 13 upon 3. Then AP of the series will be how much? It is in form of 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, only 3, 13 upon 3, like this. Actually, if you don't consider 9 upon 3, then here also 3 will come. 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3, then 5 upon 3, then 9 upon 3, then 13 upon 3. All digit will be in a gap of same difference, 4 upon 3. Okay, today this much, and rest 3 part you can do in homework. Okay, 1 part only you can do, other will do next day.